Today's tutorial will show you how to opt in to your reading history. This page is the CLAMS Catalog Encore page. At this point, you should have already logged into your account. Once you have logged into your account, by using your barcode or your username and your PIN, you will then select My Account. Here you will see your personal information and your tabs. On your tabs, you're going to select Reading History. Your reading history will keep track of everything that you check out from this point forward. So you want to click on Save Reading History. At any point, if you choose to no longer keep track of your reading history, you have the option of opting out. You can then log out of your account. Now, if you were doing this from the classic catalog website, you would go to the top and click on My Account and log in. Here you're in your current record with your personal information and your tabs. You would select Reading History. At this point, because I've already logged in and opted in to my reading history through my Encore page, I now have the option of opting out. If I opt out, I now have the option to opt in. I would click on that, and from this point forward, it will keep track of everything that I have checked out. If you have any questions about how to opt in to your reading history, get in touch with your library. Thank you.